How to log in into Wells Fargo Online Banking account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can log in into Wells Fargo Online Banking account. So without further delay, let's get started. Open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and type in Wells Fargo. Then head towards the first link on your interface, that is wellsfargo.com. That's gonna take you to their official website. Once you land on this page, navigate to your left hand side and there you see the small login prompt. There you have to enter your username associated with your online account, and under that enter your correct password. In case if you forgot your username and password, there is a link right here. Click on it, follow some on-screen instructions, and that's gonna help you recover your account. Here, once you have entered your correct username and password associated with your account, all you have to do is click on sign on button. And if you have entered your correct login credential, you will be logged in and you will have access to your online banking account on Wells Fargo. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.